Did you know that artificial intelligence has now learned how to rickroll people? That's right. AI algorithms have become so advanced that they can now mimic one of the internet's oldest pranks. Originally, rickrolling involved tricking someone into clicking a hyperlink that seemed relevant to the conversation, only to be redirected to the music video for Rick Astley's 1987 hit Never Gonna Give You Up. Nowadays, AI takes this to a whole new level. By analyzing text patterns and user behaviors, machine learning models can generate convincing messages or even deepfake videos to lure unsuspecting victims. This shows not just the power of AI in understanding and replicating human culture, but also raises questions about the ethical limits of its use. Imagine a world where an AI could rickroll you over text, email, or even during a Zoom meeting. This blend of humor and technology is both fascinating and a little bit sneaky. Thanks for watching, and remember, you might never give AI up, but it might never let you down or turn around and desert you.